back. In this video, we're going to go over custom domain hosting. So I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud app builder in our demo application. This application is currently deployed to two environments. It's deployed to the development and test environments. If you look closely, you will notice that this is deployed to an Inhouz app.io domain. You might have a scenario where you want to deploy your application to a custom domain. Currently, applications in the production environments can be deployed to custom domains. To do this, all you will need to do is go to the application settings, enable custom domain, add a custom domain, activate said domain, and then apply this configuration to your DNS server. So you would add the CNAME, in this case www, and then the content will be the Inhouz app IO proxy. So to give you an example of this being implemented, let's go over to another app builder, and this time this one is my current website. Let's drag this over here. As you can see, this is deployed to the development, test, and production environments. But as you can see here, we are also deploying this to a custom domain. And how do we do this? If I were to click on this, it opens up inhouzcloud.io. It's hosted in a custom domain. This is, at the time of this video, my current website. So if we go over to the app settings, we can see that we have enabled custom domains. We've put in our custom domain, and then we've basically added this to our DNS configuration. In this case, my subdomain was www. All right, and then I saved my settings, I saved my app, and then I activated this and then deployed my application. So this is pretty much how to configure custom domains. I'll go over it one more time. You enable custom domains, you paste in or type in your custom domain, you configure your DNS, you save your application, you come back and you activate, and that's it. On the next deployment, your app will be hosted to the custom domain. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.